you guys to understand.
You cuddling with your doggy?
Yeah.
What were you watching?
Top Cats versus Converse.
Oh, you're gonna watch Cats now?
Versus Converse.
Oh God, Cats and Cucumbers. Have you ever seen this? I can't flip it. She was watching Markiplier. It was so cute. Poor kitty. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you had as much fun watching as I did recording it. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, which is all down there and right there, to see more hilarious videos. And also, if you haven't already, check out Raspberry's Storecraft's channel for some awesome gaming, including Cards Against Humanity. And if you want to play with us, scroll down to the description and add me on Discord, and maybe you can play Cards Against Humanity with us. So see you tomorrow later. Thanks. Bye.